In this video, we'll walk you through how to connect your Taliup account to QuickBooks Online. This integration allows you to seamlessly sync your sales data and taxes from Taliup directly into QuickBooks, saving you time and simplifying your accounting. Before we begin, please make sure you already have an active QuickBooks Online account. Once you're inside Taliup HQ, look at the left-hand navigation menu and click on Settings. Inside Settings, click on the QuickBooks tab. Click the Connect to QuickBooks button to begin the integration. If you are not already logged into QuickBooks Online, you will now be prompted to enter your QuickBooks username and password. After logging in, QuickBooks will display a permission request asking you to allow Taliup HQ to connect to your QuickBooks account. Click Connect to approve access. Once the connection is successful, you'll automatically be redirected back to Taliup HQ. At this point, you'll be prompted to select your tax agency. Now you'll be able to choose which taxes you'd like to sync between Taliup and QuickBooks. Click Sync Taliup HQ Taxes with QuickBooks to complete the setup. Your Taliup account is now connected to QuickBooks Online, making your bookkeeping easier and more automated. If you need additional support, our team is always here to help. Thanks for watching, and enjoy streamlined accounting with Taliup.